Shemai guys, and welcome to WWS. On this series I'm going to show you how to use static grass from 1mm to 12mm, starting with 1mm. So stay tuned after this. Okay, so 1mm static grass. Yeah, here we go. Okay, there's a selection I've selected. Yeah, there's four different colours with that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is work on an area around here, and I'm going to show you how to apply 1mm grass. The applicator choice I'm going to use is the Pro Grass Grand, just because of the screen that we got for there. Okay, so good screen on there, and then the clip, and then I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so basing glue. Basing glue is our liquid plastic polymer glue. All right, simply spread down a section onto the board. Get a brush, any brush. Yeah, we sell brushes on the website, but you don't have a brush. And just spread it off. Well, we want a nice even spread on this now, right? Because it's 1mm, it will pick up the strand. Plus, the working time is quite warm in here today, so this will go off quite quickly. So I've got to try and be as quick as I can. Okay, and then we'll start off with a spring 1mm. Okay, take it off. There's the colour. Put it into the hopper. Yeah, we roughly want about that much into the hopper. Turn it on. Remember, don't need the clip into the glue. Yeah, that's the positive end, and just apply. So out it comes. There we go. That's your first coat done. Okay. Now, quick tap off. Right, and there it is. Okay, I'm getting a nod of Josh. Yeah, that is 1mm. I can see that's 1mm applied. That is standing up. Yeah, and you've got a nice texture. So push that out of the way, and then we're going to go on to the next stage. Okay, so next stage, static glass layering spray. Okay, don't need to wait for the basing glue to dry. Straight on to the next stage. Now I'm going to start doing this in different colours. Yeah, so I want to work on it. So I'm going to bring in bit of green, some browns, and some dead. So a bit of autumn, bit of patchy, and a bit of dead, just so I can show you the different colours that we'll show you. Then we'll blend them in. Then we're going to play around with it a little bit and see if we can get some good effects. Okay, so my next one is let's choose an autumn. So we've got an autumn colour. I'll open this here now. There's the autumn colour. Okay. Again, same principle. Put it into the hopper. Yeah, we don't need a lot. I'm only doing a patch to show you. Layering spray. Layering spray adhesive. Yeah, fine spray adhesive allows you to go to the next level without touching the baseboard. So spray a corner or a section or what area that you want to do. Okay. Again, get a clip. You don't need to put a nail into your model. Yeah. Like I keep saying, everybody, as long as it's close to the hopper, it's fine. And then apply. Okay, nice and easy. You can see the contrasting colours on that. Yeah. So I want to tap off the excess. Yeah. This is where you can use your hoover or leave it dry, and then you can hoover it up. Yeah, or brush it off. You know, be careful when you're brushing it off though with the layering spray, because it is a fine spray adhesive. Okay. Just get rid of that lump, otherwise it's going to spread. Okay, so there's the brown, there's the green, there's a darker green, so we've got a spring green there, straight to an autumn green there. Already you can see that we're starting to make grass, yeah? First of all, we had static grass spring colour, yeah? It's one colour. We want to start bringing in different colours into it, yeah? Different textures. So, let's go for a patchy. We do a patchy bit here, okay? Right, patchy grass, same principle, okay? We've still got grass left in the hopper. Yeah, straight back. All you do, put it back in. Yeah, you know what I mean. And then patchy grass into the hopper. Not too much. We don't need all that. There we go. Same principle. Layering spray again. You'll see me that I'm tilting it. Yeah, if I go up there, whoosh, it comes out, right? So nice tilt controlled Yeah, and then now I got nice control. You can see that that's going on quite evenly. Yeah, I get a nod from Josh. So we got now a green and we got a brown. Yeah, so we got a bright green, a dark green, and a brown. Now I'm going to bring in now a dead. So now I can see, I don't know if Josh can see the different colours on it. I think I'm getting a yes. If I hold that up. Yeah, I got a thumbs up there, right? There's now 4 different colours on that, okay? But it doesn't, to me, it doesn't look like grass. So this is where the trick comes into it now, how to blend it in looking like grass. So this is what I'll do. I'll blend all this now into grass colours. So we're gonna go back to the base colour spring, okay? But this is where we're gonna start being, this is where we start how to use static grass. So yeah, so small quantities like that. Put your hopper on. This is where we're going to swap colours all the time now. Yeah, so there's some colours. There's some totally colour variations as we blended it in, and it's starting to look like grass. Yeah, I think you know, I mean, safe to say. You can see that as well how controlled I was, even with a big applicator like that. Yeah, biggest on the market. Yeah, with us. Okay, you know, we controlled it. Little controlled areas it was. Yeah, you know what I mean. It's just burst of colours that we want here, there, and everywhere. I'm going to stick a little bit of brown into that corner over there, but I'm going to stick a little bit of like the green over here, like the dead over here. Okay, and then I need to break that brown there, a bit of work. It's a dark brown here, a bit of patchy. Let's go around the corners. Again, controlled. Okay, nice, slow, controlled. There we go. Oh, that's just broke that up. Okay, now, yeah, you'll see those colours out on the field somewhere. Yeah. You know what I mean? You look every day, you look out there and see that's going on. You know what I mean? The them colours everywhere. Okay, so another stage that we can go on from here now, right? And I normally do this with 2mm, 4mm, and 6mm, but we're going to do it with 1mm just to show you exactly what we can do. Okay, and I'm going to use an edge of a brush like that just to show you. Okay, so what we want to do is start mixing this up. We want to get them tuft edges up. Okay. And then now what I'm going to do is go back down to base colour. Okay, so we're going back to spring now, right? So load the hopper up with spring. Put the lid on. And now what we want to start doing is picking out the high peaks. So control again. Covering the baseboard because we've exposed it. And then finish off just to lighten it up a little bit more. So there we go. Yeah. I think you like this. I mean, the first one I did was a multicolour billiard table to me, yeah, right. So we want to roughen it up. So to rough it up, there you can see. I think you know, I mean, that's a really good effect. Yeah, I think Josh has given me a good old shake of the head there as well. You know, what I mean, that's what we could do. That's with 1mm. Yeah, perfect for end gauge and smaller scales. Yeah, yeah. We've built it up. We have got a bit of a height to it, yeah? But that's just 1mm static grass using the colours that we've got. Okay, using the applicators that we've got and the spray and the sprays and glues. Okay. I'm pretty sure that that's quite smart and everything. I'm hoping that you guys are going to enjoy that. Yeah, that's just goes to show what you can do with just one length of static grass. Don't forget, that is 1 mil, purely just 1 mil. Yeah, in the next series I'm going to be showing you 2, 4, 6, 10 and 12. So we're going to have some really good fun with it. Now I want to show you the other uses that we can use using the progress box. Yeah, I have shown those for previous videos, but I'm going to show you this one. So this is just a generic house that we've got, okay? And what I'm going to do is just draw some lines onto it, okay? The thinner the lines are, the better they are, okay? And all we're doing is some random lines like that, okay? I'm going to bring some different tones and different colours into it now. So this is our spring 1 mil. All we do, clip it onto the box, clip it this side, yeah, turn the box around. Okay, so that was stage 1. I'll show you now. Yeah, I've been told to work on it, like push down, yeah, and double thumbs up, so it's got to be good. Okay, so next stage, I'm going to do some other colours into it now, okay? And I've never done this one before. I've always done sort of one colour, right? So here we go. I'm going to show now. Come from there, up here. Yeah, try and be random. I've got a really straight line with there, so I'm going to try and come off that and break it up a bit. So straight away, as a ex-soldier, yeah, that looks like camo. So yeah, great. Okay, I'm gonna add a bit more colour to it now. I'll add a bit of dead just to, okay, so they come over here again, come off the lines. Switch it off, give it a blow off, and there we go. Yeah, there's some great tones in there, some great colours in there. Yeah, it just goes to show what, you know, I mean, we've got a vast range of colours within 1 mil static grass. Okay, so that was 1 mil static grass. In the next video, we'll be showing you how to use 2 mil static grass. So if you like this video, please like and share, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much. Bye bye.